Hey guys, here I'm gonna show you how we can upgrade our forms to look a lot better in two different ways. One of the ways is very common and more popularly learned, but I'm gonna show you a better way that can get you even more design and more features. So the first way, and this is the classic way. This is typically using the customized theme. It's just a little palette icon up here. And this is where you can edit things like the fonts, question font, text fonts. You could add a header, even change the background color as well. And this is good. This looks good. If you want something this simple, this could be it for you. But we want to take it a step further and get even more design options in these forms. And that's where we use an extension called BeeForm. Now, BeeForm is an add-on to Google Forms that allows you to do even further customization. To get it, on your form, you just click these three dots, go to Get Add-ons, and just search for BeeForm. I already have it installed, but you can just go through the installation process and make sure it's set up properly. Once you do that, once it's fully installed, you go to this little puzzle icons. When you hover over it, it says add-ons. You click it and you find BeeForm. Once you open it, you click Open App, and a pop-up should appear. I already have this set up, but I know there's like a setup process. You have to do some more authorization stuff, so make sure you do that as well. Here, we're just gonna wait for it to load. First thing I see is that the form is not published, so we wanna make sure it's published. And then hit the refresh button. So the warning went away. But here is where we can have a ton of other options. So they have different layout options. If you want wizard, like one question at a time, you can have a progress bar or not. You can change the color of the progress bar. Or classic, where you just have all the questions at once. I'm gonna stick with classic. You can change the theme, like the primary colors, the background colors. This is all very simple. You could also add a background image. If you already have the link to the image, you can just paste it in here. You see I have a cat background image. You can have an image in the background, which is cool. You could change the opacity of the image to blend in more. A lot of cool things you can do with the themes. You can even add your logo. If you have the logo link, here you can just paste it. Here you see you can add your own logo. You can add it at the top. You can make it left, centered, or right. You could add it at the bottom. You know, tons of cool things here. You can even change, if you click on these, you can just directly change them up here as well. Change the background color of these. There's a lot of customization options as well. You can do a ton of things. Now, you can even make the containers smaller and wider. Now, I'm not going to go into every single detail because there's a ton of these things here. But what I will do is just show you that they also have themes, pre-built themes. And I think this is where they really shine, because you can that work really well and have very great designs. Like here we have this Marvel themed form that has like a Marvel background and coloring, which is really nice. We can try another theme like this sunset gradient. This is really nice. It uses the wizard mode. We can even use this. This looks like sci-fi theme, you know, cyber theme, which is really cool as well. But I'm gonna go with this simple harvest theme. I'm gonna switch it to classic mode so you can see the whole thing. And once we have our changes saved, we can get the get link. And boom, this is your new form. This looks so much better, so much more designed. You know, users are going to be more engaged when they use this. You can obviously use your own theming, especially if you have your own business or company. This can be designed for your company to make it look better, look more engaging, look more branded, and it's honestly a great product. And when you submit it, you see the responses under your typical Google Form responses. So that's great. It's all in one place. You can add it to an already existing form. You don't have to create new forms. You can already add it to something that already exists as well. You can even change the confirmation message, like when they submit the form, you could change the if the form's closed message. Very cool. And I think a great product. Yeah, so that's two ways you can change your form and make them look a whole lot better and add your own branding. If you want the link to BeeForm, be in the description. Check it out, download it. Thank you for watching.